Parts 1 through 4 scheduled, build, and track to 50 million peso DPWH contract. We treated that 50 million and the weights behind it as a given. But where does that number actually come from? Today we go back to the source, quantity takeoff, and detailed unit price analysis, or DUPA, the two steps that turn a road design into a cost estimate. Quantity takeoff starts with the road geometry. A 1 kilometer carriageway, 6.7 meters wide, gives 6,700 square meters of PCCP, a slab 230 millimeters thick. A subbase 350 millimeters thick under that same carriageway works out to roughly 2,340 cubic meters. Widen out to the clearing limits, 20.8 meters across the full kilometer, and that's 20,800 square meters of clearing and grubbing. Same quantities part 2 used to compute durations. Every unit price in that estimate is built with a detailed unit price analysis, DUPA. The structure is always the same: direct cost first, materials, plus labor, plus equipment, priced for 1 unit of work. Then markup, overhead, contingencies, and miscellaneous, or OCM, plus the contractor's profit. Finally, value added tax, VAT, on top of that subtotal. Direct cost, markup, tax, 3 layers, stacked, for every item in the Bill of Quantities, the BOQ. Let's build up the real number, the DUPA for PCCP paving, per square meter. Materials: cement, sand, gravel, dowels, and tie bars, curing compound, and formwork, for that 230 mm slab, comes to 1,600 pesos. Labor is 465 pesos and 25 centavos. Equipment, 600 pesos. Together, 2,665 pesos and 25 centavos direct cost. Now the markup. For a contract this size, a typical OCM rate runs around 12%, 319 pesos and 83 centavos, and a typical contractor's profit runs around 8%, 213 pesos and 22 centavos. Both of those step up or down with the size of the contract, so treat them as typical figures, not fixed rates. Subtotal, 3,198 pesos and 30 centavos. Add a typical 5% VAT, about 159 pesos and 92 centavos, and you land at roughly 3,358 pesos per square meter. Call it 3,358 pesos and 21 centavos. To match the BOQ rate, the last centavo is just a rounding artifact from stacking separately rounded numbers. These percentages, and the material and labor prices behind them, vary by location, price index, and contract size. Multiply every item's quantity by its unit price and you get its amount in the BOQ. PCCP alone, 6,700 square meters, times 3,358 pesos and 21 centavos, comes out to about 22,500,000 pesos. Do that for all 9 items, mobilization and demobilization as lump sums, and add them up. The 9 amounts sum to exactly 50 million pesos, the same contract amount parts 1 through 4 have been working with all along. Now divide. Take each item's amount and divide it by the 50 million peso contract, and you get a percentage, the exact weight part 1 used to build the S-curve. PCCP's 22.5 million, divided by 50 million, is 45%. Aggregate subbase comes out to 15%. Earthworks and drainage each land at 12%. Do this for every item, and the weights fall out on their own. The cost estimate isn't just a number, it's the source of the weights. Here's the complete 5-part workflow. Quantity takeoff and DUPA build the unit prices, which become the BOQ, and the BOQ gives us the weights. Part 2 turns quantities into durations. Part 3 finds the critical path. Part 1 builds the Gantt chart and the planned S-curve. And Part 4 tracks real progress against that curve, billing, and slippage control. 5 videos, 1 complete DPWH project, planned, scheduled, and controlled. Thanks for watching. Before you go, follow RHC Engineering and RHCES on YouTube and Facebook, and find more resources on our websites, shown here on screen. See you in the next video.